Conservation of energy. It tells the total energy is always conserved in each transformation of energy, or when it changes from one form to another form, the total energy is always constant, or amount of energy is always same. For example, you can see here now a car is moving from point A to point B. Now at the point A, the potential energy or P equal to E, or total amount of energy is equal to E, where kinetic energy Ke equal to 0 because it was not moving or velocity was 0. That's why kinetic energy is 0. So if you see total energy at point A, this is equal to E. Now when it goes down, rolls down at point B, then all the energy, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, or potential energy becomes 0. This energy is converted into totally kinetic energy E. So at each point, point A and point B, if you see the total energy, so at each point the amount of energy becomes E. Similarly, second example, a freely falling body or freely falling ball from point A, it falls, goes down B and reaches finally at point C. At point A, before to fall, or it was not moving, that point potential energy is equal to E at certain height H, where kinetic energy is 0 because it was not moving or velocity was 0. That's why kinetic energy is 0. And when it was freely falling and when it was at the point B, then potential energy becomes half. This half energy converted into kinetic energy. That's why total energy at point B is also same. If you add E by 2 and E by 2, this will be equal to E, or total energy becomes E. And finally it reaches at the point C, or when the height is 0, then potential energy also becomes 0, because if the height is 0, potential energy also becomes 0. But all the potential energy or total energy is converted into kinetic energy, K equal to E. Or if you take it at point A, B and C, at every point total energy becomes always E. Or at point A is also E, point B is also E, and finally point C also total amount will be equal to E. This is the example of conservation of energy, or energy is always conserved, or always it is constant.